The moment I saw the iPhone 17e, one thing became clear. Apple didn't just make another budget phone. They made a warning shot to every Android brand still fighting in the $600 segment. This phone is entering the market quietly but dangerously. A new kind of budget iPhone. Before we get deep into the leaks, welcome to technology in the future. Hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the biggest tech breakdowns. Now let's talk about why the iPhone 17e might take over 2026. Apple's new strategy. Apple learned one thing last year. People in the US don't care about having the best iPhone. They care about iMessage, iOS, and staying inside the same ecosystem they've used for 10 years. So Apple created the E-series, a cheaper way to stay in the system without feeling outdated. And now the iPhone 17e takes that plan even further. The new look is a big deal. According to the latest leaks, Apple is finally ditching the old-style notch. This time, the 17e is expected to get the dynamic island, the same cutout used on the higher-end models. This instantly makes the phone look modern. No more budget phone vibes. Dynamic island, your premium look for a low price. Camera upgrade done right. On the back, Apple is keeping a single camera, but don't let that fool you. The leaked specs suggest a 48-megapixel sensor with better processing and stronger, low-light shots. This means clearer nighttime photos, cleaner portraits, and sharper details. A single lens, but finally taken seriously. A front camera made for social apps. The front camera is getting a boost, too. Rumors suggest a new 18-megapixel sensor with center stage support. Perfect for FaceTime, TikTok, and Snapchat. Apple clearly knows who is buying this phone. Students, teens, and everyday casual users. Colors and build. This year's color lineup will stay simple. Black, white, and possibly one hero color. Early testing mentioned lavender, but that's not confirmed. Still, the build quality remains premium aluminum, not plastic. So even though it's cheaper, it still feels like an iPhone. A9 chip inside. Inside, the 17e is expected to run a slightly adjusted A19 chip. Not as strong as the Pro versions, but perfect for smooth browsing. Clean animations and long-term updates. Apple Intelligence features will be supported. This might be the cheapest Apple Intelligence phone ever made. RAM, storage, and display. The RAM is expected at 8 GB, which is great for a budget iPhone. Storage will likely start at 128 GB. Don't expect 256 GB at this price. The display stays at 6.1 inches. Perfect size, bright and sharp, but still 60 Hz, not 120 Hz. Finally, MagSafe support. This year, Apple is adding something users begged for. MagSafe wireless charging. This opens the door to more accessories, faster charging, and easier daily use. A big upgrade for this price point. Battery and modem. The battery is around 4,000 mAh, supported by a more efficient A19 chip and a new C1X modem, meaning stronger 5G signals and better all-day battery. If you want a phone that actually lasts, this is it. The only doubt, dynamic island. There is one thing still unclear. Will Apple actually give the dynamic island to the 17e, or will they reuse the old iPhone 14 notch again? If it launches with a notch at $5,999, Apple will get roasted. But if it launches with dynamic island, this becomes the strongest budget iPhone ever made. Final verdict. The iPhone 17e is shaping up to be the perfect mid-range upgrade. New design. Faster chip. Better cameras. MagSafe. 5G improvements. Apple Intelligence support. If the price stays around $5,999, this phone will dominate the US market instantly. So what do you think? Is the iPhone 17e worth buying? Tell me in the comments. This is technology in the future. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon. More exciting tech updates are on the way.